Bitch, why is you recording me with your stupid ass?
Hey guys, it's Mary here, and today I am going to be doing a prank. Rearrange the room as a prank, and me and her little brother are going to do the butt. Oh, she got me up here. My birthday, Mary birthday. Hey, so slight. I didn't think I was supposed to be on there. Alright, y'all, we about to rearrange her room. This is how it looks currently. And we're about to get started. We're here for your house tour. Some slight.
Had to change the room around.
Yeah. Your fat ass dogs in it. So now I'm just taking Shadow.
Shadow, what are you doing?
Shadow, look at the camera. Oh, it's too far away. Look at the camera. This is how it looks now. I'm coming back at 4 o'clock. Well, I live right next door. Act like I'm coming back. Camera one. You what? Wait. Get out. Shit, I might have to have a closet.
Oh, no.
She's like, no.
20 minutes later.
Mom. Why did I do my room like this?
I didn't do that to your room.
Mom, who did this my room?
I don't know. I did.
Mom, do you not see my room switched around? Who did this in my room?
You did that. Who gonna switch your damn room?
Mom, who did this?
Who else gonna do that? You did that?
How can I do this, Mom?
Did
By myself? Did your dad do this?
My dad.
Who did this?
He was here earlier. But I was up there in my room.
Mom, did he just switch my room around? Mom. Did your dad just do this?
I don't know.
You have somebody?
I've been upstairs.
So, who did that tomorrow? Because why this? I see the recording right there. Who did it? You better?
Do the back.
They did all this because they about to switch back.
And I, oh, the ride wants you. What? I want you.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
You mad. You mad.
Dude, I'm not playing. You come switch my room back for real. Wait, which video you see? Which camera you see? Which camera you see? That one right there. See, do it by time on my block is bad. I know. I heard her say that too. How you feeling? Man, go fix it back. How you feeling? Man, if you don't fix it back, I'm not going to your room. Mary, who helped you do this, man? Me and do the butt. We aren't going to do it back. Hey, Shadow.
She's still sitting here with tears in her eyes. Give me like it.
Do it.
You gotta do that.
You got to do that yourself.
No, I'm not. I'm really about to get back.
I'm going to need that angle too, do the butt.
Who's stupid enough to even do that? Because all you got to do is do it back.
She did.
Okay, you think I'm just keep it like that, stupid? There's not even no cords over there where my TV's plugged in.
No.
Real camera.
I'm not playing.
Never that serious.
Wow, do the butt.
It is that serious.
You should have put it higher up.
But it didn't record.
If I put
No,
it
right
up there,
there.
you notice? Right there.
She just knows when I set up. When she kept on saying,
That's what I'm saying,
Mom,
you need to
she
do
didn't
that.
notice. But then when I set up, she looked that way, and that's what she just said. That she was like, oh, somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got tears in her eyes. She pissed off. She want her room.
Damn.
She is pissed.
So hard, dude.
That's how you been doing it.
It's nothing bad. It's just she can't plug in her stuff over there and
No,
stuff
all you
like
gotta
that.
do is the bed is so light, you push the bed. Push
Yeah,
the
that's
thing
it
out.
was a roll
Oh, you
bed.
just push the bed.
All right, well, just do it
The
back.
bed rolls.
Exactly. Just do it
All
back.
you gotta do is roll the bed. And then-
Y'all with the computer over there.
And guess how long it took us?
20
minutes.
It makes the room look way
It took
smaller.
us 20 minutes. It ain't hard to read.
Okay, we'll go do.
Go look at her room, Tyrese.
I seen it. You mad at her?
Is she mad?
I told you I should be mad.
It only took 20 minutes.
But like, you know you're not doing that back regardless of you being in my room.
They're not gonna do that back for you.
When I see something
That's the
cool in
prank.
my room, I be like, the who's in my room?
It's all ugly now.
That's so ugly.
What?
How was it ugly?
It's so ugly.
It was supposed to be ugly. I want, but do the butt the one I was trying to be nice. I wanted to put stuff in the middle of the room and
She wanted to
everything.
put stuff everywhere.
Wow, who's doing this back? This show really ugly. You can't even walk in the room.
They is.
They just making it work.
I heard you done with the video.
Way smaller than it is.
All you gotta do is roll the bed.
Why is you recording?
What? I can't record.
3-eye camera, nigga, that done like alien. Ugly.
Wait, which one is you recording from?
Exactly.
I'm recording from the farthest one right now. Then
I'm
go
gonna get out
closer,
that junk.
closer. Back up, back up.
Oh, he done on your bed.
I'm living lavish.
Get out.
They do that same thing to me. You got my shorts and stuff. I don't know. You was in on that one too.
At least
Y'all messed up. They messed up my shorts
that's
and
payback,
everything.
right?
We clean up the camera.
All right, I'm gonna head out.
I made your bed though, right?
What happened?
It's going to this level.
You got
to this level.
I ain't hear you. I ain't get to see.
She said she about to destroy rooms.
How's she gonna get in my room?
Maybe you should try to get back.
Nick and April here.
What they do now?
Go look at it.
Man, she recording. Watch, it's a trick. She recording.
Over and ride watching
Ugly
that
now,
work.
right? It's ugly.
And she got tears in her eyes right now. She snapped and they won't fix it back. She
This shit back. Yeah, record that. Fix her damn shit
All
back.
right, I'm gonna head out. All right, try to prank this over. As I can tell, she is mad. Look at her car. She pulled up. I'm like, there she go, there she go. The prank over! She was mad, guys. Azara calling me right now. But I got a quick camera.
Hello. Where's you at?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Where's you at?
I'm about to hop in the shower.
Bitch, why is you recording me with your stupid ass?
What happened?
Man, I'm really bad. I'm not playing for real. Now, when I go over there and knock all your shit off, you're gonna be mad.
So you rearranging the back?
I'm not reading shit.
Neither am I.
All right, man.
Dude about doing it?
No, your son doing it.
Why dude about doing that? It's supposed to be a prank.
Okay, bitch, but when you do a prank, you rearrange it back, stupid ass.
She puts it on her Snapchat, y'all. She said these bitches just rearranged my room. Somebody's mad. I'm supposed to get this mad off of Prince Zharya. Somebody's mad. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm in this prank there, but if Zharya do some more stuff, I'm gonna record it